Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
No, it's a non-formatted phone. So this makes it easier for us to do the calculations. But again this length of service worker field that we have. Why does it come in the text? Should it be in numeric? That would be more. No, Steve, here you have a mix of numbers and and text. That's why it's the text field. So actually this field is not to be used for a lot of calculations because, like I said, if you have to find out the length of service in years, you will simply calculate the date difference between hire date and today's date. That is the smartest way and the most logical way of doing it. Just that this length of service appears on the worker's profile. So what if we want to use it? That's why we used it for our particular example. Now let me show you where it appears. I hope you have like 1 or 2 minutes. We are a bit overboard with the time. Let me show you at least. This card not discarding. It wants me to. Okay, let me click on OK. The limit. Come on, whatever. Okay, I don't know. I need your precious books. Anyway, if I go to if I log into a worker, and if I go to the work of somebody, so you would see that the length of service is there. You see the length of service? Yeah. It's right there on the first pitch in the summary. So users typically feed it. So now they want us to use it for our calculations. So they will say, yeah, it's right here. So why don't you use this? Right. So that's why we do this as an example. And this is a good example to demonstrate between two delimiters after a delimiter, before a delimiter kind of concept. But yeah, if you just want to have the number of years of service, use a date difference. So you can see that there's a lot of different things.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.